So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to share Xero with an accountant. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Xero organization dashboard and click on the organization menu at the top. Select settings from the drop-down options and then click on users to view your team panel. Now, click the green Invite a User button located on the right side of the screen and enter your accountant's name and email. Then choose the Business and Advisor features list. Now all you have to do is select the advisor role recommended for full accounting access and toggle any additional permissions. Then click Send Invite. Now they will receive the invite and all they have to do is just click accept and they will be invited to your Xero organization. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.